Good morning mga kananay. I'm here in She's rest area before ang aming hiking starts. Yan. So come along. Come with me. Mag-hiking tayo today. Just good luck. Yan ang ating view. Yan. Ito na yung starting point ng aming hiking dito sa Wadi She's. Itong part na to sa Oman na siya. So umalis kami ng Discovery Gardens ng 2:30 a.m. and at this point, it's around past 5 a.m. na. Maganda yung lugar, mountainous, matubig. And nag-start na kami mag-hiking after nung binabaan namin na tubig. May dalawang option. Lumakad dun sa mountainside or bumaba dun sa water. Hanggang bewang yung water na yun. So hanggang sa narating namin to. So dito hanggang maglakad kami, makikita din ninyo na nagsa-sunrise na. Napakaganda nung view. Pawis na. We're happy. Happy. At this point, mabato yung dinadaanan namin. So, tamang-tama yung shoes na suot namin kasi it's really meant for hiking. So, that's a good one. Kapag mag-hike kayo na ganito, make sure na may proper shoes kayo to protect your feet as well. And so, we're just following the theme. Just continue walking and enjoying the view. Sarap lang nung feeling na nakalabas ka, na enjoy mo yung nature at hindi pa mainit at this time. Currently, it's already summer here in UAE. But this place belongs to Oman already. Pero pwede kayong makapasok. Nakapasok kami without any visa required kasi malapit lang siya sa Sharjah. Naisama lang din kami ng ka-work namin and we really enjoyed itong hiking. This is my first hiking experience in my entire life and this is still easy compared to other hiking and we joined a group and I really enjoyed kasi may mga nakilala kami na ibang Filipinos dito sa tour na to and 13 all in all kaming lahat. So how was the experience, Jahan?
Slippery. And wet.
Ito na po yung mga naghahanap ng organic. Sisimula na po sila maghanap. At tapos silang lahat. Wala pa po kami nakikitang organic. Oh. Ay. Ayaw patalo. Ito talaga yung part na kailangan meron kang tamang shoes for this hiking. Kasi may mga times na pababa and madulas. Tapos din.